Hey guys, it's Rusty, the snowman. It's sort of snowing outside right now. You can see little snowflakes passing by. Yeah. I don't know what that is. Oh, that's Buddy. Go over here, babe. Buddy right there. He's an American Cocker Spaniel. You can see it snowing, and here comes a bus. No school today. Ah! There's snow hitting my camera. It's cold out here. But I'm a snowman. See? Snow on the ground. Snow everywhere. It's probably going to snow like 5 to 8 inches tomorrow. So I'll make a video tomorrow of that too.